any event, any occasion, any festival or any celebration, it is a type of a blessing to you. How? Let me tell you. Because like you have like seen me that I have inspired my makeup look of Independence Day today. So you also can celebrate that moment, and you can also enjoy everything on a very simple and small basis. Okay, this is because you need to be happy no matter how the people are trying to crossroad you, how the people are trying to put you on, okay, put their opinions on you, but you are actually trying to put yourself on them. Okay, so it's very much important that you need to understand the importance of the event, importance of the occasion, or importance of any festival. Okay, so like this Independence Day, you can just take the advantage of this Independence Day and find out 5 new words. Even you can go with 5 new phrases, even you can go with the speeches and any type of podcast which is related to the Independence Day, and just go with the memorization of those things. Like, I cannot say memorization, but you can go through with that podcast, with that listening, with that reading of the words, so that you will be able to understand that this word basically contains in the criteria of Independence Day. Okay, so this is the superb idea, and I have already tried. Whenever I went to any of the event, और जब भी कोई event होता है, जब भी दिवाली होती है या कोई भी ऐसा इवेंट होता है, मैं हमेशा अक्सर यही करती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज यूज टू टेक द एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट फेस्टिवल, एंड आई यूज टू फ्रेज एनी 5 words, or I used to get upon with any of the words, so that I will be able to understand that these words actually contain in this type of event and in that type of event. Okay, so this technique will really super help you in your English speaking, and I hope that you like this video. And happy Independence Day again to everyone who is watching, and if you want to know more, just follow this channel. Bye bye.